President Mnangagwa Tuesday chaired his last cabinet meeting for 2024 ahead of his annual leave set to begin in January 2025. Sinapenda mashuka mdanyu pana hapo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tikipinda pano pamunawo wanobudanyira wachiti. Information Ministry spokesman Nick Mangwana made this announcement via X. Today, His Excellency President Mnangagwa is chairing the final meeting of the 2024 cabinet calendar year at State House in Harare. Mangwana did not disclose the exact start date of the Mnangagwa's leave. Mnangagwa's approach to his annual holiday contrasts his predecessor, the late Robert Mugabe, who routinely spent his holidays in Singapore. The late greater leader who religiously leave governance entirely in the hands of his deputies during his vacation. Mnangagwa, however, has consistently opted to remain in the country since taking office after the coup in 2017. He engineered and ousted Mugabe. Even during his leave, Mnangagwa has been seen engaging in official duties, assigning critics allege of his lingering insecurities about stepping away from the reins of power. The rivalry between Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, has fueled speculation about presidency's cautious behavior. Chiwenga, the former army general who led the 2017 coup, has been widely perceived as harboring president's ambition. Mnangagwa's reluctance to leave the country for extended periods reflects the awareness of these underlying threats. Zimbabwe's political history is rife with coups and political maneuvering. Ndo mashukano muda nyuko panapa vanhu vachikomplera vachiti aiwa tiri kuda kususpecta zvedu kuti why is it aiwa Nick Mangwana asina kustate date kuti kabiro nyika aiwa rachaenda for leave vachikombera nezvaimboitika kare under the rule aiwa yaRG Mugabe vachiti aiwa vanhu vainyatsoziva kuti achienda musi wakati endo nyatsoasiya power kuna the vice president anenge aripo. Imbotse mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.